The right life insurance can help pay for more than just a person's funeral or cremation. Life insurance can also pay you when you're still alive. KITV4's Diana Coe reports on how it can bring you a peace of mind that will help keep you aging well.
We all know the younger you are, when you apply for life insurance, the more likely you'll qualify for affordable premiums based on your good health.
Ideally, Diane, people should consider life insurance as early as possible. Life insurance, the premiums in life insurance, they're tied to how old you are and the state of health.
But Mililani insurance agent Wayne Akiyama says it's never too late to buy a life insurance policy for yourself.
The best time to look into life insurance is right now, because if you don't have it now, it's not going to get any cheaper.
And if you think you have a policy, make sure it's not through work. When you leave that job, it's gone.
And you've said you don't want to leave a legacy of debt after you die. So what does insurance cover?
Final expenses like burial and cremation, that needs to be taken care of. Kids need to go to college. And you also want to make sure that your partner can cover any sort of mortgage, bills, and you want to make sure they can retire.
Life insurance can even give you benefits when you're still alive.
Some policies, they have what's called a critical illness rider. And what that means is if you have a stroke, if you have a heart attack, if you have cancer, they'll pay out a lump sum from the life insurance policy, and you can take care of your bills or what have you through that.
Similarly, there are some policies with a terminal illness rider or a chronic illness rider.
If you can't do two of the important daily activities for daily living, that would include walking, going to the bathroom, eating, basically anything that requires anything you do in the morning. They'll give you a lump sum to take care of that as well.
There's also something called a return on premium.
If you don't need any of those benefits, if you haven't died, you'll get all the payments you've paid into the policy returned to you at the end of the policy's term.
All these are tax-free. And if you are approached by someone claiming to be a broker, how do you know they are who they say they are?
How has the pandemic changed the way the life insurance industry does things?
It's changed things a lot. Schedule our meetings over Zoom, or we do it over the phone. Obviously, some people are worried about whether or not you're actually an insurance agent. So any insurance agent who you talk to should be able to text you or email you a copy of their insurance license. You should be able to check that against the state government's website.
Wayne Akiyama, independent life insurance broker, thank you for talking to us. For Aging Well, Diana Coe, KITV4 Island News.